Hello everyone, if you're creating content or doing marketing, there's a really practical way to use Claude that goes beyond just writing scripts. You can use it to plan your content, design your visuals, and even analyze performance so your next piece of content is better than the last. In this video, I'm going to walk through a full workflow step by step, and I'll show everything on screen so that you can follow along. So let's start with content direction. Right here on my screen, I'm inside Claude, and instead of guessing what to post, I'm going to type a prompt. Give me 3 content ideas for short-form videos about AI tools for beginners. As I press enter, you can see Claude generates multiple ideas instantly. But instead of stopping there, I take one idea and go deeper by asking, expand this into a content plan with the hook, 3 key points, and what should be shown on screen. As the response appears, you can see it's not just telling me what to say, it's also suggesting what visuals should be shown. So instead of just having an idea, I now have a structured plan for both the content and what the viewer will see. Now, let's move into creating visuals. I asked Claude, break this into a storyboard with scenes and visual directions. As you can see on screen, it organizes everything step by step. What happens in the first few seconds, what should be on screen during each part, and how the visuals should change to keep attention. This makes it easier because instead of figuring out visuals while editing, you already know what to record before you even start film. Now I build the actual content. I ask, write a 3-minute script based on this storyboard with a strong hook and clear flow. As you can see, Claude generates a full script that aligns with the visuals we just planned. So now you have both the script and the visual direction working together, which makes recording much smoother. Next, I refine the visuals. I ask, how can I make these visuals more engaging? And as you can see, Claude suggests improvements like adding on-screen text, using faster cuts, or showing the outcome earlier in the video. So instead of just creating visuals, you're improving how they perform. Now, let's move into performance tracking. Let's say I've already posted a few videos and I had basic metrics like views, likes, and watch time. I can paste that data into Claude and ask, analyze and tell me what's working. As the response appears, you can see it identifies patterns like which videos are getting more engagement or which ones are holding attention longer. Then I can ask, what should I change in my next videos based on this data? And now Claude gives specific recommendations like improving the hook, shortening the intro, or making visuals more engaging earlier on. So instead of guessing what works, you're using data to guide your content. Now I can connect everything together. I take a high-performing idea and ask, create 3 new variations of this content, including hooks, visuals, and structure. As you can see, Claude generates multiple versions that I can test. So instead of creating one piece of content at a time, I'm building a repeatable system. So across this workflow, you can use Claude to generate ideas, plan visuals, create scripts, and analyze performance all in one place. Claude doesn't replace creativity, but it helps structure your process and make more informed decisions about what to create next. Please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.